Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDJPY, US dollar, Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, Gold, USD, GBP, JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the forecast chart of USD JPY. I'll try to keep the video short because I have already made very long videos on Euro USD and Gold USD. Okay, I do not want to bore you again and again. So first of all, I would like to take you to the currency strike meter. Today, USD is on the weaker side and JPY is the second weakest currency. Okay, and if I take you to the Japanese yen currency index JXY, you can see that yes, JXY is under correction today. There is some selling pressure going on right now. If the selling pressure continues, then yes, all the JPY pairs, USD JPY or JPY, CAD JPY, all the pairs will be going up because generally when, we see that whenever JPY, Japanese yen is gets weak, all the JPY pairs start going up. So if the selling continues on the JXY, then yes, USDJPY will also be going up. And one more thing that I would like to take you is the chart of DXY US dollar. US dollar after the correction right now standing at the very important support zone. The currency strike meter may be telling us that USD is weak right now, but keep in mind that US dollar is standing, DXY is standing at just at the support zone. It is at the support zone right now. Support zone right now. So 95.50 has been acting as a very crucial support, and we can see that right now the support is back again. So if the support plays the role, plays the game, then definitely US dollar will be going up from here, and US dollar right now on the weaker side will be switching side and become stronger. Okay, so keep your eyes on DXY as well because dollar may seem weak right now, but it is standing at a support and may go up from here. Now let's talk about the chart of USD JPY. First of all, you can see that I have marked few levels. Though it is trading at 114.42 level right now, and the strongest levels in this chart are 115 at the top as resistance because strong sellers are present in this level. So if market goes up, then first resistance will be at the trend line. If you want to take a sell position at the trend line, you can take a sell position. And if market reverses, yes, confirmation is always important for the trader. Confirmation is the insurance for the trader. So if market goes up and reverses from the trend line, you can take a sell position because the trend line has been acting as a dynamic resistance for the market for quite some time. And if market breaks the trend line and starts going up, then if you want to take a buy position, that's totally your call. I will not comment on it, but your second trading opportunity will be at 115 level. Why 115 level? Because 115 level is a very important seller zone and there is a good possibility of market reversing from this level. If market reverses from 115 level, you can take a sell position and that's your very strong level to trade on and your second trading opportunity as well. And in case market goes down, then we have 113.50 level. Okay, this blue line is a very strong buyer zone. It means that this is a support for the market. There is a good possibility of market bouncing from the support as well. If market comes down, then there is a good possibility of market bouncing from 113.50 level, and this is your third trading opportunity. These are the three trading opportunities that I see on a chart of USDJPY. But to be honest, I will personally only trade on this level and this level. And a few days ago, I had a buy position on USDJPY. I had a good loss. So, honestly speaking, whenever I face a loss on a particular currency pair, then next time I prefer to only trade at a very strong level. So personally, I will only trade on 115 or 113.50 only. And if you want to take, if you are looking for some day trading opportunities, then you can switch to the lower time frame. You can switch to lower time frame, and if market bounces from around 114 level, okay, around 114 level, you can also take a buy position. But again, I'll say that this is not a very strong level. Okay, there's a possibility of market breaking it as well. So be careful if you are planning to take a buy position at 114 for a day trading purpose. Personally, I will not recommend, suggest you to trade in this level. Okay, because there are multiple options in the market. Why you should be risking your hard-earned money on a particular chart that is not very strong or not very convincing, isn't it? So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.